Can photography make you more spiritual? I certainly believe it can, but not all types of photography. This is Nicole Glass, and before I get into today's video, I just want to introduce the beautiful place that I'm in. I am currently in Sedona, Arizona, which is a magical place known for its many energy vortexes. People from all around the world travel to Sedona, Arizona to absorb the positive energy of this place. And after being here for a few days, I can definitely confirm that it feels like another world here. I've truly enjoyed taking photographs here in Arizona, and sometimes photography can feel a little bit stressful if you're not photographing what you love, but I have loved every minute of being here. So can photography make you more spiritual? Most definitely. In a quest for creative photos, you might start to see the little details in life that you didn't notice before. You will notice how different lighting paints a subject in a different way. You will appreciate sunrises and sunsets so much more. And you will overall become a lot more observant of your surroundings. The appreciation for life's details, that's what makes you more spiritual. Now, I'm not talking about taking selfies on your phone. I'm talking about exploring the world, just you and your camera, and being totally disconnected from anything that's not around you. And I'm not talking about taking so many photos with your camera that you're not even looking at the world with your eyes anymore. I'm talking about intentional photography where you actively search for the beauty. The search itself can be worth more than the shot. The beauty is in the search. That's the type of photography that makes my soul sing, the type of meditative photography experience that gives you so much more satisfaction than any type of high-paying job. There are a few photographers that I personally know who only pick up their camera if they're hired for a job, but they will never take photos of something just for themselves, out of passion for the creative process without any sort of financial gain. Personally, if I'm outside and I witness a really beautiful sunset and I don't have my camera with me, sometimes it hurts because I want to capture that beauty so much. So what is spirituality? Well, it's different for everyone, but for me, it's being outside and having a connection with your surroundings and an appreciation for the little things in life. And your camera can help you achieve that. So what type of photography makes your heart sing? Let me know. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. So this is just a short video for today. I'm actually busy traveling a lot over the next couple of weeks, but if you're curious to see where in the world I'm at, be sure to go over to my Instagram at Nicole S. Glass because I'll be posting a lot of photos over there. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.